Hi traders, thanks for stopping by thetradinganalyst.com. This is Taylor and we're going to take a look at several charts here and I'm going to give my analysis and thought process. And the idea here is for you to come away from this video with some newfound knowledge on technical analysis as well as some profitable trade ideas here in these individual names that we're going to be covering. But first, if you're not already a member at thetradinganalyst.com, go ahead and give us a visit on the homepage of the website. If you like the free videos and analysis we give to you on a daily basis, it's nothing compared to the membership at thetradinganalyst.com. Once you sign up, you're going to be able to take part in the professional chat room, the daily watch lists, the real-time profitable trade alerts that are not only given in the live chat room, but also via text message and email. So if you have a full-time job, part-time job, or maybe you just can't be in front of the computer screen all day long, you're still going to get those profitable trade alerts. You're also going to get the exclusive daily member videos, webinars, and an education from mentors like myself who truly care about your success in the market. It's a great opportunity and we'd love to help you. All right, so let's get going with these charts here. Nice break higher like we mentioned previously on Apple. We said it was going to test that 112 resistance, which is exactly what we did, okay? We closed pretty much right at this resistance, okay? So if we get a close higher tomorrow, so anywhere higher than about 112.20, let's see, the high of the day, 112.40. If we get a close over 112.40, more than likely, we're going to come up here and we're going to fill the gap that was created from this gap down. So the gap is right around 118 right there. So a close over 112.40, and that's going to send us higher on Apple based off of this big time resistance. You can see there's a hit, 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 rejection, and we're right at it right now. So tomorrow is going to be a pivotal day for Apple, and we'll see if it can actually close over this level for real. The next one we're going to take a look at is Amazon. Amazon here, if you've been following along, congrats on this long trade. We mentioned that it was most likely going to get a bounce here off of this support line about 738. That's exactly what we did. It was based off of a simple level based off of the support line of these few candles right here, as well as the Fibonacci retracement level from this low to this high, and that gave us the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level right here. So now what are we to expect with Amazon? Well, the trend is still up. We're making higher highs, higher lows right here, and there's a little baby gap right up here at about 780 right there created between these two candles that may want to fill. So that's about $13 higher from where we're at right now, and just be aware of that on the Amazon chart. The next one we're going to take a look at is BABA. And BABA, you can see here that we have another reaction to this resistance level. We've got this downtrend line right here, lots of touches against this downtrend line right there, and we have another hit of it today, and I'm going to zoom in here so you can see this a little bit better. So not only do we have this downtrend line as resistance, but we have all of this trading right here that created a resistance. So sideways trading creates support and resistance. So since we're below this level, it is a resistance level, and you definitely need to be aware of it moving forward. The next one we're going to take a look at is BIDU. And BIDU, as you can see, I'm going to zoom out a little bit here. We broke over this downtrend line, several rejections here, rejections. We broke over it yesterday. So that is very constructive, okay? Broke over it, that's nice. We have a nice little uptrend line that you can see a little bit better here using the hourly chart. So this is the hourly chart. You can see lots of bounces against that uptrend line right here. And again, today we bounced off of it as well. So that's going to be a support level that you want to focus on here on BIDU. And the breakout point, if we break over today's highs and yesterday's highs, that's going to be very bullish for BIDU. And I think that if it does that, we're going to come up here and retest this resistance level. And I'm going to draw that for you right about here, about 181 here. You can see it was resistance there, there, here, and right there. So that's a level that you want to be focusing on here for BIDU. The next chart that we're going to take a look at is Chipotle. And Chipotle, big drop here. Congrats if you've been following along. We have liked Chipotle for a short against this resistance level up here. We got what we were looking for, and it hit that short target down here just shy of 360. Okay, now what does this remind you of on Chipotle? This little 3 candlestick formation looks exactly like this 3 candlestick formation right here, and look at what happened after that. Okay, I'm not making a prediction, but just want to make you aware of what can potentially happen. So we made a new low, and obviously we bounced up big to fill this gap and then got rejected at this resistance. So we'll see if that happens again, but so far this gap down was not bullish clearly for Chipotle, and you want to be looking for either the highs of this candle to be broken in order for this gap up here to fill, or the lows over here to be broken, and then we're going to head down to 350. So pay attention to those levels on Chipotle. The next one we're going to take a look at is Facebook. And Facebook, you can see nice breakout to the upside. That's what you wanted to see. That's what we were calling for. Called for a bounce off of this 115 level right here, based off of the support of these candles right here. Bounced off here, and now we're almost up to this resistance level up here near about 120. So 120 is definitely a resistance level. If we break over 120, we're going to come up here and tag this resistance at 124. Okay? So keep in mind of these resistance levels that are going to be a factor here moving forward for Facebook. The next one we're going to take a look at is Twitter. And Twitter, a nice breakout of this consolidation range. You can see that, and it did so with some heavy volume right here. So that's exactly what bulls want to see on Twitter. We came up here, we filled this gap right here at about 1980, all right? Filled that gap. Now, next step could be to fill this gap up here at $25. That's the next logical step. As long as we remain above this $19 range, that's definitely going to be a possibility. The next one we're going to take a look at is Google. And Google, you can see here we broke over this resistance level right here 2 days in a row. We closed over it yesterday and again today. More than likely, Google is going to be headed higher. And the resistance level I want you to focus on is I'm going to lower this right here. It's about 812 is going to be that resistance level that you want to be focusing on here for Google, based off of the close of this candle, high of this candle, the high of this candle, almost got there. So 812 is that next resistance level, and we have support at about 790 on Google. The next one we're going to take a look at is Netflix. And Netflix, you can see breaking higher here, consolidating to the sideways currently, but we have support based off of this uptrend line. You can see lots of bounces against that uptrend line, and that's going to be right around 119 to 120 is going to be that support level right here. We also have support right here just below us at 122. More than likely we're going to come up here and we're going to tag 129 if we get a bounce off of that 120, 119 level of support right here. So pay attention to that on Netflix and you should do just fine. The next one we're going to take a look at is Priceline. In Priceline, you can see we broke over this resistance right here, 1535, broke over it today, more than likely going to be heading higher here, and that next resistance level is going to be right around 1578. The close of this candle right here, 1578, perfect, and that's going to be the resistance level that you want to be focusing on, and we have support now at 1535. More than likely, we're going to get a bounce here, and we're going to bounce up to that 1578 mark up here on Priceline. Thanks for stopping by and watching the video, everyone. Again, if you're not already a member, visit us on the homepage, get to know us a little bit better. If you like the free videos and analysis we give to you on a daily basis, it's nothing compared to the membership at thetradinganalyst.com. The best part is, once you sign up, you're going to get instant access to those profitable trade alerts that members are getting on a daily basis. It's a great opportunity, and we'd love to help you.